Polytechnic, BIT Misra. I want to introduce about this, that BIT Misra has supported this institute in connection with the government of Jharkhand, especially when the government of Jharkhand has requested for making the tribals of this state educated. Then our chairman has agreed and taken this proposal as a social cause, and they started this institute in the year 2001. During that time only we have decided that what are the discipline we will take into this campus. The disciplines of engineering we have taken up, as well as we have also introduced after some time the medical lab technology. The engineering side, I will tell you that we have the disciplines like automobile engineering, manufacturing, mechanical. This is all coming into the mechanical group. When I go into the circuital group, then there we have the electronics, we have the electrical and electronics, we have computer engineering, these all branches. Along with that, we have the science department also, and especially we have the physics and chemistry and mathematics. This has been taken care by that department. And if I talk about the intake side of this, then in the beginning we were having all the branches with 30 students intake only. Later on, these intakes been increased to 60. At the present, we have a total intake of 210 plus BMLT. In the BMLT, we have right now 30 intake. So total it is 240. Now I'll tell you about the intake side, that how one can get admitted into this institute. Then for that I'll tell you very clearly that this institute is a special institute. It is a very unique. Here the reservation policy of India is different. Normally you will find that the reservation policies are falling like a 40% and 60%. 40% for the reserve category and 60% for the open category. But here it is reverse. Not only reverse, we have the reservation policies up to 75% for the reserve category. In that, what you will find that there are the categories as SC, then you have ST, but in ST also you have one more special class that is called PT, primitive tribe, and they have been given 5% additional reservation, and altogether it comes as 75%, and for 25% is for the general and the it is 25% for general, because OBC is also coming into that 75%. Now I'll tell you some more thing about our institute, that in our institute we have well-equipped labs. Almost in all the department we have all required labs, where you will find the workshops, you will find the electronics lab, you will find the design lab. Along with that, we have the very good library, where we have almost 10,000 copies of the books. And recently we have also added our library with the online accessing. And this library provides our student free book. Means to say that they can take any time the books from the library and study it and then give it back. Also we have the space, if they wish to study into the library itself, then they can be seated and can study it. This is about the academics I wanted to tell. And another thing, that the faculty, that the strength of our faculties are very educated and good researchers, and most of the faculty have the postdoctorate degree with the core engineering. This is a very, very good thing which we have here in our institute, and our students are also coming from different environment, but they are all coming from the Jharkhand only, because it has been is restricted by the Jharkhand government that no other state students will be entertained. So in that way, what we find that the complete Jharkhand we have in our campus. And also I will mention that we do not entertain any day scholars. We take students as per their marks, as the cutoffs are been decided, and after that they are all been placed into the hostel which is in our campus itself. We have 3 hostels here, 2 hostels for the men's and 1 for the girls. And we have also here the residence for the staffs and faculties. They are also residing into the campus only. My campus size is 18 acres, and that is too big. And this campus is pure green, where we have a lot of plants, lot of trees, and it is having a very healthy environment. I can say, or I can assure you that it is a completely noise free and pollution free campus. We have very good mess facility in our hostel, and these mess is been operated by the students only. Our interference is not there. Whatever the students decides for their meal, that is being prepared, and their bills are being created and checked by the students and dispersed. This is what is the system we have created and followed. My campus is also very good in the way like that my campus has got only one entry and exit through which one can enter and can come out. So I can say that it is a very safe campus where no security reasons you will find that because it is having a very good boundaries throughout the campus, and also we have very good playgrounds for our student, where the students are allowed to play after the class time also. Especially nearby to hostel, these playgrounds are being created and facilitated. There they can play during the night time if they feel like. And we have a canteen also, and this canteen is being allowed up to 9 in the evening. Suppose some students feel like taking some changes, or they feel like some change into their food, then they can take from the canteen, and it's a very reasonable because that canteen rate is being controlled by the institute. This is what you will find in our campus. Other than that, I will also mention about the extracurricular part. The extracurricular activities are there throughout the year. All the time you will find that some activities are going on, and this activity we have planned in such a way that the students get involved throughout the year. It is not that it's a seasonal. It is never going to be the seasonal, because if you keep it seasonal, then you will find that the only a particular time our students are getting involved, and rest of the time they are free. And if you keep them free without giving all such things, all such exposures, then it's very hard to learn that why and how they will learn about the social kind of activities also, because these activities basically provides them the social awareness, and they find the competition among their friends, they find the competitions of the life. So this is a very important parameter of the education of the student, which we feel and we provide them honestly. And for that we have a very trained physical trainer, and he has been involved for this activity throughout the year. Right now I am talking this thing because we are going to have very soon another function, which is Unifesto and Unifesto 2018, and for that I will congratulate my students and faculty for their grand success and wish them all the best for the function. Thank you.